Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this smoke effect in After Effects. Let us get started. First make a new composition and name it smoke. I have already made this composition, so I'll not make it again. Make two shape layers with white fill and no stroke. To see the paths, turn on the toggle mask button. There are 3 ellipses in shape layer 2 and 4 ellipses in shape layer 1. By using these two shape layers, I have made a smoke. Now I'll pre-compose both of them and name it Smoke Comp 1. Use the anchor point tool and move the anchor point of the composition from the center of the comp to the left hand side. This will make the animation start from the left. You can see that I have keyframed both scale and opacity properties of this composition. Enter a keyframe on the scale property, go forward 9 frames and then enter another keyframe. The value on the 9th frame is 100. For the opacity property, do the same thing. Now go forward to 16 frames. Make 2 keyframes for each property so that animation becomes static for 3 to 4 frames. We can see that nothing is happening for 3 frames. This will make the loop static for 3 frames. Now to loop the smoke effect, I used an expression. Alt-click the stopwatch icon. Under the transform scale, write a loop out expression. Write the same expression under the opacity property. Now the animation is ready for the loop. Now pre-compose the smoke composition and name it car composition. I have downloaded this car image from freepik.com. Check out the link in the description. It is free to use. I can move the smoke below the car to make it feel like a car smoke. Now that's a wrap up for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos.